Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready, begin now. First, make sure your Samsung TV and the device are on the same Wi-Fi network, then wake the TV. On the TV, enable screen mirroring or AirPlay from settings. Some models label it Smart View. On your phone or PC, open Smart View, AirPlay, or Cast. Select the TV name. If prompted, accept the connection on the TV. Once done, your device will detect the TV and begin projecting the screen with minimal delay. After selecting the TV, you'll likely see a pairing code on the screen. Enter it on your device or accept the prompt on the TV to establish trust. Once connected, check display settings. Choose a 16:9 aspect ratio or lower resolution if motion is choppy. Make sure your device isn't running heavy apps. Closing those frees bandwidth and CPU. If video lags, move closer to the router or use a 5 GHz network for a stronger, faster link, and then recheck playback quality. When you're finished, end the session from your device or press disconnect on the TV. This cleanly closes the link. If audio is out of sync, toggle mute or pause, then resume often fixes the timing. If the cast won't start, restart both the TV and the source device, then try again. Make sure TV firmware and your device OS are up to date. This resolves most problems. However, if it persists, reduce resolution or try a direct HDMI connection as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.